Hey everybody, Hayden here at the Ouachita Mule School. Gonna show you how to pack some manties with a basket hitch. We're gonna start out here. We have 50 foot of BTM. I'm gonna unravel it. And we're gonna set ourselves up. So we got one over here on the right, pulling that way, one over here on the left, pulling this way. First thing that I do is wad up this here left side, and I'll just put it under the breast collar up here. So the next thing we're gonna do is this offside. We're gonna have it coming straight through the middle of the bucks. We're gonna hold on with our left hand, wad it up in our right, and throw it right through the middle, just like that. Next thing we're gonna do is cross our hands, just like this. We're gonna cross them like that. Creating that, we're gonna flick this up and over, and then we're gonna just give it a swing. Now that set up our offside basket hitch. We're gonna stay right here for a minute, undo all this, simply just make a loop, and now your onside basket hitch is set up. Ease our manty up. We want them, the higher up the better. We're gonna grab our basket hitch. You can just prop the manty up on your arm. We're gonna pull the slack from the bottom. This top rope we're gonna have going about a third of the way right up here. Now, you can hold all that tension with this right here. Pull up on the rope and push side to side to really take the slack out of this. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is come up and over the rope that come around from your sawbucks, being sure to keep tension on them. You don't have to pull that rope all the way through. Pull down pretty tight and push up while you're doing it. That really locks it in there. Now we come under this one with our tail. Run the tail back through the loop. It's called a packer's knot. Make it a pretty small loop. We'll throw a half hitch on it, just like that. And then we'll daisy chain it here in just a minute. We're gonna match it pretty even. Tops are touching here. It's a good thing. Rain flies always up, guys. Now we're gonna walk this thing in here. Come up and over. Pull it and push it. Pull our tail, make a packer's knot. Now we'll throw a half hitch on it. So we're gonna daisy chain this now. Do not leave the daisy chains hanging. They're real long a lot of the time. Don't leave them hanging. Always come to the back side. Do not ever go this way. A limb can grab them, and then you'll be in a wreck. I'm gonna come around this back side and just tuck it in back here. Same thing on the other side. So now you have a properly mantied load, and they're not going anywhere. You can take this for miles and miles. I hope it helped. Y'all keep muling.